guys. How is everybody? I hope you are doing good. Those of you at Mr. Habert's parade yesterday, so good to see you. So cool. He is such a fabulous, amazing principal. It was awesome to see all those people out supporting him. I truly, it was amazing. So good to see those of you that I did see. Lots to go through. So sitting here in my Patrick Mahomes jersey. I know some of you were asking. This is on Facebook. They post this each week and what the different things are. So this is where I'm coming up with these. So tomorrow's Thankful Thursday. Post a video telling how you're thankful for your friends, or just let somebody know why you're thankful for them. Friday is Hat Day, so hats off to essential workers. So there's what's left for the week. But Jersey supporting Patrick Mahomes, and he's being taken down off the classroom door this week. Bummer, but we got to move on. We got to get ready for next year. Huh? All right. So today, national days. There's a bunch. It's National Favorite Beverage Day. So it said, favorite beverage. There's Miss Steele's Diet Coke. There's Miss Steele's coffee. I'm ready to roll. So there's my favorite beverages. National Nurses Day, National School Nurse Day, just like they sound, celebrating those nurses. So Nurse Carol, yay, kudos to her. National Skilled Trades Day. This is like a mechanic and those kind of skilled trades. And then the National Crepe Suzette Day. I had to look this one up. I had no idea. So these crepes, hundreds of years ago, someone was making crepes with this special sauce. He burned it. He was making it for the Prince of Wales in 1500s or something. And he burned the sauce. And he was like, I don't have time. We're going to eat this anyway. I'm going to serve it and we're going to eat it. And it turned out to be great. So have a crepe. A crepe is like a really thin pancake. But this special crepe Suzette is a little bit different, but there are a lot of different recipes about it. I read about it. I have never had crepe Suzette to know. National Bike to School Day. Darn it. School's at home. What are we going to do? Maybe get outside and ride your bike. I did get in the mail my new bike tire tubes. Yay! So I'm going to do some bike repair today so that I don't have dead tires anymore. So I'll let you know how that goes. All right. I'm just going to go across. Oh, for the choice board, so that I don't miss any tabs, I did the Mad Libs. So parents, you guys probably know Mad Libs, you fill out the words you want before you do the Mad Libs. So I did, here's all my adjectives and all my stuff. I filled it all out and then I inserted them, and that's what makes it funny. So one tiny summer morning, the zebras woke up to see three polite children. They were unlocking the door to their pen. The zebras usually ran through the open door. Then by, that doesn't make very much sense, but that's how it rolls. Then by behind a nearby dog. So they go buy something behind a dog. The zebras quickly allow for the zoo restaurant, where they ordered strawberries and cakes. They slowly took their treats and went to the beach. So parts of it make sense, other parts don't. But it is helping you learn those parts of language, of the verbs and nouns and adverbs and all of that. So that was my story I came up with. Parents, if you do this one on the Mad Libs second grade choice board, you do need to log on to get the download of it. But there's probably somewhere else you could find Mad Libs because they are fabulous and they end up being very funny stories. So fun times. All right, keep moving. The weather, there's our song. Woo, kind of loud today. All right, it is Wednesday. We will have a What's Happening Wednesday today. I dropped the ball last week. It happened. I will get a video out today of what's happening Wednesday, see what's going on in the current event world. And it is May. And yesterday was the big Cinco 5 de Mayo. So today is the 6th. So it is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. All right, next tab. Let's see. Oh, weather. It is supposed to be sunny and nice today, but it is cooler than it has been. So it may not be t-shirt and shorts. You may have to throw on a jacket or something. It is just supposed to be a little chillier than it has been. So sunny. And warm still, but chillier than it has been. May need a jacket. All right, some good news. Actor John Krasinski has a show on YouTube. This show is called Some Good News. John talks about good news on the show. He wants to help share happiness. John posted a video May 3rd. The new video is about graduation. The video celebrates students who are graduating. Other videos are about cooking, thanking hospital workers, and prom. Many people enjoy these videos. So he is an actor. He's on a TV show. I don't remember which one because I don't watch it. But he is trying to just add some good news right now in this crazy, chaotic world, and make it fun. I know he did do the prom, and it was on the news of hosting like a Zoom-like prom for those high schoolers, and now he's doing a graduation one. So very cool. Still kind of letting them have some normalcy and all this chaos. But all right, let's see what we got for the questions. What is Some Good News? Is it a book, a movie, or a show? It is a show, and it's on YouTube. All right, who talks about some good news?
Show.
Who talks about good news on the show? Simone Biles, John Krasinski, or George Washington? John Krasinski. As cool as it would be to have Simone Biles, gymnastics, but
John Krasinski.
And then what is the show on? Is it on the radio, CDs, or YouTube? I totally just gave this one away. Just gave you guys an answer. YouTube. It happens.
YouTube.
All right, that is it. I have gone through all of my tabs. I organized myself this morning. A lot's going on. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, if you are outside, wear a jacket. If you ride your bike to school, make sure you come back. Mom will miss you if you don't. All right, you guys have a good day. I'll talk to you later.